Three baby elephants, happy and bright, playing together from morning to night. Pinky picked petals, so pretty and small. Bluey used leaves of the softest of. Pinky picked petals, so pretty and small. Bluey used leaves of the softest of all. Oh no! The wind began to blow. Petals and leaves flew high. Oh no!
My flower house flew away.
When we help each other, we stay strong. Friendship and teamwork help all day long. Together they giggled, warm and tight. Working together made everything right.
Next time.
Three baby elephants, happy and bright, playing together from morning to